One sneeze, and you've just launched a microscopic apocalypse. In half a second, your lungs blast air at over 100 miles per hour, ejecting up to 40,000 droplets, each loaded with whatever bacteria or virus you're carrying. Those droplets, they can hang in the air for minutes, float across a room, and land on someone's face faster than you can say bless you. The gross part, some particles are so small, they can get deep into someone else's lungs before they even realize it. So yeah, a sneeze is basically biological warfare, disguised as a polite sound. Please follow, like, and share before someone sneezes on you.